5 things we thought we knew about dinosaurs. The word dinosaur comes from 2 Greek words. The first is dinos, which means terrible, powerful, or wondrous. The second is saurus, which means lizard. We are always learning new things about dinosaurs from their fossils. There have been many facts over the years that were once the general consensus, but have been proven false or have brought much debate. This is a list of 5 facts that have changed over time. Number 5, dinosaurs are all extinct. Are dinosaurs extinct? Not really. It's true that sauropods and many other groups are dead and buried. However, one of the 8 major dinosaur groups, the theropods, survived the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. One of the 40 subgroups of theropods evolved into many of the birds we know today. Biologists divide the dinosaurs into 2 major groups, the Saurischia, lizard-hipped, and the Ornithischia, bird-hipped. The lizard-hipped dinosaurs are divided into the Sauropodomorpha, which include the long-necked dinosaurs, and the Theropoda, which, despite being called lizard-hipped, includes modern-day birds and bipedal dinosaurs like Tyrannosaurus rex. Number 4, velociraptors were large dinosaurs. Thanks to Jurassic Park, we all know of velociraptors, the smart, scaly dinosaur that towered over the terrified children. What if those dinosaurs weren't actually velociraptors? In paleontology, like other sciences, names are always in flux. Some dinosaurs are named after different things by different scientists. Some are renamed so they aren't confused with others. Velociraptors were uncovered in Mongolia in the 1920s. They were a small predator that only grew to a height of 0.5 meters and a length of about 1.8 meters. It is thought that they killed their prey with their sickle-shaped claws on their feet. Number 3, T-Rex had poor vision. We all remember the "don't move, it can't see us if we don't move" scene from Jurassic Park. Tyrannosaurus rex didn't have as poor eyesight as we thought though, even without extensive investigation. The first sign that T-Rex had good vision would be its front-facing eyes and narrow skull, meaning it would have had excellent depth perception. Plus, each eye was about the size of a softball. Further research shows that Tyrannosaurus rex had 13 times better visual clarity than a human. Some tests even show it could see certain objects clearly up to 6 kilometers away. Number 2, T-Rex had useless arms. Many of us assume that Tyrannosaurus rex arms were relatively small and useless, but that might not have been the case. Each arm was heavily muscled and could probably lift 199 kilograms. Tyrannosaurus rex might have latched onto its prey's throat with its mouth to suffocate it, while holding it still with its arms. Conversely, T-Rex has also been thought to have used its forearms to push off the ground to stand, or to hold another while mating. Neither of these could produce the fractures found in the fossils, however, so it's likely that they did indeed use their arms for hunting. Number 1, plesiosaurs are dinosaurs. We've all heard of the Loch Ness Monster, which is said to be a plesiosaur, but what a lot of us don't realize is plesiosaurs were not dinosaurs. Dinosaurs belong to a very diverse group of terrestrial reptiles that had unique anatomical features. Like pterosaurs, aquatic reptiles don't fit the bill. Plesiosaurs had a broad body with a short tail and ranged from 2.4 to 14 meters long. They had long necks, small heads, and large flippers instead of legs. Other genera of plesiosaurids had larger heads and shorter necks. The flippers were used to rotate quickly, but they were probably slow swimmers. Their long necks allowed them to snatch prey as they swam just under the surface. Many depictions show plesiosaurs sticking their heads out of the water, but it would have been impossible for them to do this. They couldn't move their necks like that, and even if they could, gravity would have probably tipped them over. And that's it for this episode of Top Real Facts. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Top Real Facts to stay up to date.